All right, now let's get over to our pgadmin to begin to practice what we've learned so far. And in our pgadmin, we are going to be using the themes table. And let's first of all select the whole table out by using the select statement here. So we are selecting this from theme. Now if you run this, you are going to get our table theme, and we have here the theme ID where the title of each theme has a unique ID here, and this is a description of the themes we have, having the release year, the language ID, the rental duration, rental rate length, replacement cost, ratings. And we are going to perform some of these selects where clause in this data. Let's first of all say we want to filter out the, all right, I'm coming. Let's first of all say we want to filter out right, let's select only the title. Let's say we are selecting only the title from theme. All right, this is what you are getting. Let's also, but before then, let's say we are selecting, let's pick this title and all right, and let's pick title, rental rate, and replacement cost. All right, title, rental rate, and replacement cost. So these are the three columns you are going to be fetching from this data. Now click on the run. It's going to display this data now, right? And but we are not just stopping there. We want to select this information where we have the rental rate, where the rental rate is equal to 4.99, right? This is what you want to get. Now when you click on run, right, so we now have that this is the table we are getting. So every information we have here has a rental rate of 4.99. We can further add a conditional by saying and maybe replacement cost, where replacement cost is also equal to, or let's use maybe greater than 12. Now if we run this query, you notice that the whole of our replacement cost here is greater than 12. You can also change this. Let's make it 14. We can notice here that our data has changed. We have the rental rate, which is greater than 4.99 or equal to 4.99 to say, and then our replacement cost is greater than 14. Right? We can also add other conditions here, but basically, let's first of all let's check a different, select the whole table from customer. Right, if you check our customer, we have the customer's first name, last name, email address, and some other details here. And we want to select only the first name and the last name. Right, let's say we are selecting first name. All right, let's say we are selecting first name from customer. Then we apply this condition where the first name, let's say first name is equal to, let's say Linda. All right, we want to check the first name of our customer equal to Linda. Now, if you run this query, I'm coming. Select first name from customer. Right, I'm coming. From Linda. So this is what we are getting. I was using a double quotation mark. So use a single quotation mark and you are going to get your results. So we have Linda here. We only have one Linda here. So this is how to apply these conditions. And We can also get back to our previous data. Let's select the whole of this from the film table. Okay, in our films table, we want to apply other condition where we have, let's check from here. We have the rating, right? So we want to filter out the data that maybe where the rental rate is equal to, let's say, is greater than, our rental rate, let's say, is greater than 4, and let's say our rating is equal to R. Okay, let's make it R. If you execute this query, this is the data you are going to get. We are selecting everything, all the records and all the columns from our database where only this condition is applied, where rental rate is greater than 4 and the rating is equal to R. You can also use or statement here, or the rating equals to R, to run your query. Now we can also apply the count function here to count the total number of rows that we have here. Right now, if you run this, you have about 466. So you can combine even the distinct value from here to get your result. So this is basically how to use the select where statement in querying data from your data.